Hello guys, welcome back to Outsource. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SS software. I'm back with another review, and today I'm going to review Eel AI. So Eel AI is a chatbot that is going to learn about your company through various data that you give it to. And then according to that data, it is going to answer all the queries of your customers or even your internal teams, and it has a lot of feature that makes it stand out from other chatbots. For example, one of the standout features is the Chrome extension it offers. So using the Chrome extension, you can directly scrap data from any web page, and this way you can train your chatbot, which is super convenient. And a great news is Eel AI is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is about $600, but at AppSumo you are getting the lifetime deal of Eel AI at only $59. Now let's have a look at all the features that you are going to get with this tool. So you are going to get the chat widget. You'll get the chatbot with a shareable link. You can index unlimited pages. You can enable the automated website crawling, which means as the data updates on your website, it is also going to update it on your chatbot. And the AI model it uses is the ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo. And here are the tiers that you can buy. From AppSumo, the tier 1 costs $59. And here your chatbot can have 2,000 replies every month, and on the license year 2. The cost is $139 with 5,000 replies. But on this chair, there is an additional feature, which is 10 team members chat in Slack. And teams, which means your internal teams can use the chatbot. And then there is also the license year 3 with the cost of $239 with 10,000 replies. And here the team members in Slack and Teams is 30. And there's another additional feature, which is you can connect your own API key for GP4 usage, which means you cannot use GBD4 on license year 1 and license year 2. Even if you have the API key, so if you want to buy the lifetime deal of LLAI from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. After you log to LL, you'll get this dashboard. And I think among all the chatbots, LL has one of the most user-friendly dashboards. As you can see, on top, you can see the knowledge base. So you can train your chatbot with various data from internal links, or it could be public links, for example, website, or it could also be local files, which means PDF and CSV files. So first, let's open this internal link. So how to train your chatbot using internal links. Click on this. So to train your chatbot using internal links, it could be on a Google Doc or on a Google Sheet or even on a Notion file in order to use any of these apps to train your chatbot. First thing you have to do is install the Chrome extension that I have talked at the start of this video. So click on this now. Let's add this Chrome extension. Okay, so I have added the Chrome extension. Now it's time to show you how it works. So now the Chrome extension of LL is installed. As you can see, here is the extension. So all I have to do to train my chatbot using the internal links, it could be something from Conference or Zira or Google Doc or Google Sheet or Google Slides or even a Notion doc. So all I have to do first, open exactly that document, for example. As you can see, I have opened this refund policy. It is a very generic one, and I want to train my chatbot using this data. So what I have to do is click on the Google Chrome extension of Eel. And as you can see, you have to make sure it is connected to your workspace. Click on Import Current tab. And this way, it is going to import only this tab where this dog is present. This refund policy, I can also click on Import All Tabs. And in that case, you have to make sure in all of your tabs you have documents from, for example, Google do Google Sheet, Google Slide, or Xur, or Confluence. So if you click on Import All Tabs, all of them are going to be imported to train your chatbot, but I want to click only on Import Current tab because I have opened only this one single document. So click on this. Okay, so I think this refund policy has been imported. So let's go to the dashboard now. Let's go to Knowledge Base. And if I scroll all the way down on this knowledge base, as you can see here, is document that has just been imported to train our chatbot. Now let's go to our chatbot to ask some questions. Click on this chat tab. And as you can see, I'm already getting some recommended questions. It is because I have connected a website about cats, and that is why it is giving me some recommended questions according to that website. I'm also going to show you in a bit how to connect a website. But let's talk about the refund policy with this bot. So this is the first question I want to ask. Let's send This question, okay, so as you can see, here's the refund policy. I asked about it, and if I go back to the document, you will see exactly this is what given in the document. So the chatbot is working perfectly. I have to say that, so just see how easy it is to crawl and train your chatbot using just a simple Google Chrome extension. Now let's go back to EEL, and let's go to knowledge base once again. Now let's explore this at public links, which means connecting your website. So let's click on this. So here, you can provide the link of your website first. You have to choose the method. So if you want to use this feature as a crawler, or you can also add specific links, or you can also add the whole sitemap of your website. For example, I could select crawler, and then I simply have to paste my website on this box and click on start scrapping. And after a while, it is going to crawl all of the pages of my website and then answer exactly according to the data that is given on my website. I have already added a website, and the website was this Pam Kitty. It is a blog about cats. So as you can see, there are various blog topics about cats. And I have opened some specific blogs on this website. So I have opened this one, 5 reasons why cats are lazy. So let's ask this question to my chatbot, and here type my question and click on send. So as you can see, this was my question, and this is the answer. So it has given me 4 reasons why cats are lazy. It could be genetics, independent sleeping habits, and I really like that. They also provide source, and this is amazing. I haven't seen this picture on any other chat board. I think this is what makes EEL AI so different from others. So let's go back to the original blog, and as you can see, the first reason was sleep. Then it was also about genes that is also mentioned on the chatbot. So overall, I think the chatbot is working perfectly, as you can see. Now here is another blog about mythical cat names. So let's also ask this question. So here's my question. Let's send this. So as you can see, it is coming up with some mythical cat names. Okay, the list was pretty long. It has suggested me over 50 mythical cat names. So let's see if these names are actually available on the original blog. Let's search for this. So as you can see, it is available on the original blog. Let's also search for another. And as you can see, it is also on this block, which means the chatbot is working exactly according to the data that it has CD from the website. So this is amazing. So this way you can chat with the chatbot. And as you can see, it is giving some really accurate data. And I also really like that they provide sources. This is a feature that I'm really impressed with. And one thing I forgot to show you is once you add something to your knowledge base, so let's go to this knowledge, and for example, you add an internal link to train your chatbot, or add your website to train or add a PDF file that is also going to appear on this current knowledge section, which means all of the data that has been crawled is going to appear on here. As you can see, here are all of the pages that I have crawled from PamKY website. So this is amazing. You can also see what type of data is currently crawled by your chatbot. And this was the document about refund policy. So now you might ask how to use the chatbot or embed the chatbot for that. Go to this chat once again, and if you click on the shareable link, and if you enable this, make it public, now you can copy this link. So let's open a tab. So I have opened another tab and then paste the link, and as you can see, this is the chatbot that is hosted on EEL's own website, which means you do not always have to embed your chatbot on your website. You can also get a shareable link, and then obviously there are also other ways to use the chatbot. For example, it could be Slack integration. So here's a tutorial how to add Slack. You can also click on chat widget, and you can enable this chat widget to embed this on your website. And for embed, there are various options. As you can see, you can also integrate with Microsoft Teams or Confluence. Now, what about the appearance, the look and feel of your chatbot? For that, click on appearance, for example, the title for your chatbot. So as you can see, it is set to custom knowledge, which is available on here. So you can also change this. Just give a different name on here. For example, it could be, so here's a name that I came up with, Elit. This is my chatbot name. You can also add it the welcome message, which is this one. And if the chatbot does not know any answer to any question, what it is going to say, instead of, I don't know, you can also provide that on here. So as you can see, this is provided on default. But you can also change this edit. This, you can change the chatbot. Primary color. And you can also Enable the chatbot to suggest questions. As you can see there are two SS of these questions. You can also disable this. The SS are not going to appear if you disable. And then you can also add the logo for your chatbot. All you have to do is paste the URL, the website link of your logo on this box. So this way you can also customize the appearance of your chatbot overall. I think LLAI is an excellent chatbot. It has multiple features that sets it apart from other chatbots, and one of those is the Chrome extension. I really love this feature to use. This feature, all you have to do is open a document. It could be Google Slide, Google Doc or Google Sheet, or even Confluence, Xer, Notion. So open that document and then click on the Chrome extension. And then you can import the data directly from that document, which is amazing and super fast. And I also noticed some other features such as the source. It provides the source for the data, which is amazing. I have not seen this feature on any other chatbot. So overall, I have to say is AI is an amazing chatbot. And if you want to buy from AppSumo as a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below with the deal. You are going to get these features. And here are 3 tiers that you can buy from AppSumo. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. Let me know what you think about ELAI and how it compares to other chatbots in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.